Hi everyone, welcome back to the IT and Psychology YouTube channel. Today we are going to be continuing with our SOPs for chapter 1 of IT, Advanced Web Designing. I have uploaded the SOP 1 that included the enrollment form and etc. on Tata Sons Private Limited. So today we are going to be continuing with our SOP 2. I'll read it out to you. Create a web page using HTML and CSS code to design a web page as the layout displayed below. The top section will display the heading Tourist Places in header. The section on the left has list of cities. The right hand side displays tourist places of any one of the city. Use inline style in the top section to display background color for text tourist places. Use internal style sheet for the left and right section with background color and font styles. So this is our table. So we have to make a web page with this layout displayed. So I'll just open the file quickly. So this is our file. I'll just make a web page by the name of touristplaces.html. New text document. .html. So this is our web page constructed. This is blank for now. We'll be altering its code in the Notepad version. So we open with Notepad. I'll just show the Notepad part to you. So this is blank for now. We'll be putting in our code soon. So start out with our HTML tag. Title. Our title would be Tourist Places. Now we'll put in our style. We'll add our internal styling first. So first we'll do the section part. Yeah. So background color would be pink as shown there in the textbook. And what else has to be given? Yeah, the width 50%. Put our height as 50%, and then we'll make the text float the right side of our web page. And the A side, the width would be 50% again. Then we'll make this float on the left part. Left. Sorry. This was our A side. Now we'll do the OL tag, that is the ordered list. So we'll do the OL tag. This would be our ordered list. So here the font style has to be italics. Font italics, along with our font size to be basically 15 points would be good enough. So that's readable at least. UL tag, that is our unordered list. Here the font weight would be given in font weight would be bold along with our font size to be put in. Font size to be put in as 20 points. This is sufficient, and this was our style tag. So we have completed our internal styling. Now we'll move forward to closing our head tag and starting out with the main body version. Sorry. So start out here. Here we'll alter the header style. Put this in as sky blue, and then we'll add our height of our header. That will be 100 points, and this was great. Yeah, so this was our header style, and we'll put in our h1 to be h1 tag has been put in with our tourist places and our heading. So tourist, this was our heading. Now we'll be closing our header tag. Put a break line. Remember, you do not need to break. You do not need to close this tag, BR tag. Here, H3 will be our city. H3. Now we'll start our main concept. That is the OL tag. OL tag would be put in with our list as. Our list first would be Pune. Our second in the list is supposed to be Bangalore. I hope this correct spelling. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so this was our first list. So then we put in our next. That is Hyderabad. Wait. Hyderabad. This was our third one. Next is Delhi. Here we close our ordered list. We'll move forward to closing our side as well. Here then we start with our section formula. Section would be our first heading here would be 3 tourist. This is in Pune. So firstly we'll start out with our UL tag. Putting our first item in the list would be Shaniwar Wada. Shaniwar WADA. So this is our first tourist spot. Our next would be the list the Kelkar Museum. Spelling correct? USEU. Yeah. Next would be the Singhad Fort. I'm putting in another tourist spot as the Aga Khan Palace. So this was our first. Yeah, so this was our UL tag. I'll close it, sorry. And close our section formula. Section tag, sorry. See, section formula, I'm sorry. Body tag will be closed. And here is our end of our HTML SOP 2. So I'll just recheck it. And if you have any doubts in this code, you can comment in the live chat, as this is going to be an instant premiere, or you could comment down below. And if you have any doubts pertaining to these topics, you will contact me on the group for doubts on Telegram via the link given in the description. Okay, so this is our code. Start from the top. Check it quickly. Found mistake. Why did I put this here? Wait, let me check it again. Yeah, so this has to be here. A typo. CTR center and header. This is correct. This is correct. This is correct. Okay, so we had only a few mistakes. I'm sorry for that. Other than that, you can copy this note, this code in your journal or a rough journal, as you may, and you could practice this on your own PC or laptop. But if you have a phone device, Android or iOS, any of these, there are HTML editor apps on the Play Store which you can find, and you can do the same as I'm doing here. They'll show you the output as well as the code written by you. It is accessible there as well, but I would suggest using a PC or laptop device. So I'll just put a control S here. I'll show you the output quickly. So this is our output. As you can see, as given in the SOP2 layout that has been given to us, with our blue background over here, pink background over here. So I'll just show you what had been given in the textbook. And, as you can see, we have achieved our goal of getting the output as given in the layout in the textbook. So this was our SOP2. I'll be uploading the SOP3 anytime tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. You've been a lovely audience. Please like, share and subscribe. Again, I'll tell you, if you have any doubts, contact me on the group for doubts on Telegram by the link given in the description. And I have completed the 4 chapters of IT out of the 6, and that include the exercise solutions and the concept explanation for every chapter, and I have completed 4 out of 8 chapters in psychology. That again include the concept explanation and thorough discussion of our doubts in psychology and the exercise solutions as well. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to support the channel, follow me on Patreon via the link given in the description. Bye.